See, hold on. So I have started recording. Very good, Shirin. Everybody is there, right? Correct. Now, every property has certain feature. That is why their name is given such a way, right? So this one is closure property, one is associative property, third is distributive property. Commutative property, and fourth is distributive property. And then you additive inverse and this thing, right? Identity.
Is that commutative one?
Right. So this is why this is important. This is the first year for you, right? Now next year when you go, okay, you will have this is for a whole number and natural number, right? Because there is hardly any difference between whole number and natural number, right? Only zero is the difference. So that is why they are combined together. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. And then next year you will get it for integer. Sorry, next year you will get it for integer, and after that in graded you will get for the rational number. Clear? The things remain absolutely same, right? If you want, I can do it for all three in this class only. तो तुम्हारा 7 भी हो जाएगा, 8 भी हो जाएगा, right? है ना? Only thing is you have to identify what kind of property it is, what the property means, right? So basically there are 4 properties and there are 4 operations, right? Majorly there are only 3 properties: closure property, distributive property, and associative property. The distributive property works on certain different principle. Anybody is absolutely some about even 0.5%, any idea what this property means? Yes, Devansh?
Here it means to like distribute the sum to make it easier.
No. No, what it becomes easier or difficult, it is a different story. I want what the property means. Each property, what does it mean? Yeah, Shirin.
The property means that it tells us more about the operation.
It does not tell about the operation. It has own feature, right? Okay. Suppose, okay, I have your name is Shirin, okay, Mishka, and then Aditya, and then Devansh, okay, and then Darsh, correct? Suppose if I ask you, okay, what language you speak at home? Shirin.
हिंदी.
बेंगोली नहीं बोलती है की बोलती बेंगोली नहीं बोलती है
सर बंगाली में मैं दादी के साथ बात करती हूँ.
आती है ना बेंगोली लेकिन तेरे को
हाँ.
ठीक है सो यू स्पीक बेंगोली ओके मिश्का व्हाट यू स्पीक
गुजराती.
गुजराती ओके आदित्य व्हाट यू स्पीक हाँ
मारवाड़ी.
मारवाड़ी ओके करेक्ट देवांश
मराठी सर.
मराठी वेरी गुड तो क्या शर्मा क्या हो रहा है इसमें इतना शर्मा के क्या बोलते मराठी सर हैं ओके दर्श
हिंदी.
हिंदी राइट सो सी everybody speak different language right
Yes.
because of their own property right Shiri speak Bengali Mishka speak Gujarati Darsh speak Hindi Aditya speak Marwadi Devansh speaks Marathi right so because they born in that particular culture right ठीक है so closure has some feature okay then associative property has some feature commutative property has some feature and they mix with the operator addition subtraction multiplication division right so what result they give you depending on their properties true or false correct
Sir, I think I know what commutative property is.
sorry
I think I know what commutative property is.
correct so we understand all the properties right whether you know one or you know all or you don't know anything doesn't matter right correct so I will give you a name of the property and I'll tell you what the feature means right what does the it feature means right correct so okay am I visible clearly
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay so now what the closure property means Mishka what happened
The battery is low.
okay ठीक है okay now what the closure property means now see at some point in time these properties are very important in terms of understanding they may not ask you directly this but the application is very useful, right? The application of these properties are very useful. Suppose you say closure property. What does closure property means? When you operate on two numbers, listen very carefully. Okay. This is always on the operation of two numbers, right? All the properties works on the two numbers operation, right? So when you operate on these two numbers, the answer what you get is always of the same type. Clear? That is the closure property. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So when you add two numbers, the answer is always, suppose you have whole number. You add two whole numbers. You get a whole number as answer, yes or no?
Yes.
पक्का मिलेगा? All the time?
Yes.
I want everybody's answer. Hello?
Yes.
Hello, you don't have to write anything. You don't write anything right now. I'll explain you. Don't worry. You can make a document after all, right? You will go to Google, you will find everything. Don't worry. Don't write anything. Understand what the closure property means. Okay, I'll give you right time. If you want to write, I'll give you also time. What the closure property means, when you operate on two numbers, the final answer also you get the same type of the number. Suppose you add both natural number, you get a natural number. You add both whole number, you get a whole number. Correct? You get both integer number, you get an integer number. Both fraction number, you get a fraction number. Clear?
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
So if you add two numbers, any two natural number, okay, let's take natural number and whole number. Right now, we'll focus on that. Okay, when you add two natural number, you always get a natural number, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And when you add two whole numbers, so we'll take whole number because natural number is a part of a whole number. So when you whole number, you'll work for natural number also. Clear?
Yes.
So when you add two whole numbers, you get always whole number.
Yeah.
Very good. I want everybody's yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
observing, right? I'm looking at you. You can't see anyone. I can see everyone, right? ऐसे ऐसे मत मुंडी हिला देवांश बोलना पड़ेगा मुंह से
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर नहीं यस सर
Yes sir. Yes.
okay you have to tell me whether you are agreeing to or you are not agreeing to, right? So
Okay.
I'm repeating one more time because I'm going to ask really very fast. Okay, I will not give you time. You have to think quickly. When you operate on two numbers, you get the same type of numbers. So two whole numbers, we will get the whole number again.
Yes.
So when you add two whole numbers, you get a whole number all the time. Yes, correct.
Yes.
When you
Yes.
subtract two whole numbers, when you do a subtraction two whole numbers, you always get a whole number.
Yes.
No. Yes.
कौन no बोल रहा है?
Devansh.
Devansh. Darsh is saying no. Anybody is no? अच्छा, Aditya says yes. Shirin, what do you say?
But sometimes it comes naturally.
Sometimes I am saying all the time. If you are not getting all the time, then it is no.
No.
No. Mishka?
No.
Example, Mishka.
If you have to do 8 minus 4, then the answer will be negative 4, which is not.
8 minus 4. Answer is 4.
Oh, sorry. 4 minus 8.
4 minus 8. Correct. When you do the ulta, you get a minus, and minus is not a whole number. Correct?
Yes.
Although 4 is a whole number, 8 is a whole number, but if you subtract this 4 minus 8, what you will get? Minus 4. It is not a whole number.
-4.
Clear?
Yes.
So it is not applicable in subtraction. When you multiply,
Sir,
multiply
yes.
two
Yes.
whole numbers, you always get a whole number.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct? है ना? So any whole number you multiply, you always get a whole number. Correct?
Yes.
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 Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
When you divide
Yes.
two whole numbers, you always get a whole number.
No.
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 Correct? It is not possible. So now you remember my generation document.
Yes.
देवांश बोला कौन सा जनरेशन डॉक्यूमेंट सर लास्ट ईयर भी भेजा था ये टाइप ही डिड आई सेंड यू दिस टाइम जनरेशन डॉक्यूमेंट
No.
I think so, sir.
आई डिड नॉट सेंड यू जनरेशन डॉक्यूमेंट दिस टाइम
I don't think yes, sir.
लेट मी चेक
Because I haven't seen it yet.
let me check hold on I sent you on the first one I'm just replying this
I
Wait.
didn't see it.
this is This is a generation document. Right? I sent on the very first day. I think it was what day? 3rd June. First day I sent you.
Yes.
Okay. See, there I have given you operators, right? There I give you operators. First,
Okay.
first generation, second generation, third generation, right?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So first generation is what? Addition, subtraction. The second
Yes.
generation is what? Multiplication.
Multiplication, division.
Third generation is powers and roots, right?
Yes.
And here there is a gender, right? Male gender,
Yes.
addition,
Yes.
multiplication, and powers. And female gender is O, subtraction, division, and
Subtraction.
roots, right?
Food.
So which is the problematic gender?
Female gender.
Very good. So it will not see here addition and subtraction, addition and multiplication. क्या हो रहा है?
Easy. Easy.
Easy, right? It is giving, right? All closure property works for addition and multiplication. So it is called as the whole number is closed for addition. The whole number is closed for multiplication, right? कुछ काम है मिश्का बेटा?
No, my daddy was asking something.
Sorry?
Daddy was asking something.
Oh, okay, okay. ठीक है. Okay. So clear?
Yes.
Understood? So it is closed
Yes.
for addition, it is closed for
And subtraction.
multiplication, and it is not closed for subtraction and division. Clear?
Yes.
Understood why? You know why it is not closed, right? Because you will not get the same type of number when you divide or when you subtract. Not all the time. Sometimes you get, which is doesn't matter. Every time you should get it. Clear? What is closed property? Right. What is the associative property? Or sorry, commutative property. Second is commutative property. What is commutative property?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
it's like when you're doing an operation on a number, then no matter which order the numbers are in, they'll always equal the same thing.
Correct. Very good. So when you interchange the first and second, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose you are riding a bicycle. Okay, you and your brother is going. Okay. So whether you are riding and he is sitting, or he is driving and you are sitting, doesn't matter. Both will reach to the same place. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? So when you do a number, suppose you add two numbers, whether 2 plus 5 and 5 plus 2 become the same. Yes, Shirin?
Sir, but this is only applicable in addition and multiplication.
Sahi jawab. See, now you understand the commutative property. If you understand the property, now you very clearly tell me, right? So now you know the property. When you interchange the numbers or change the order, it does not matter. The answer will always same, right? So when you say 2 plus 5 and 5 plus 2 is the same answer, right?
Yes.
2 multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by is the same answer, right?
Yes.
But 5 minus 2 and 2 minus 5 is not the same answer.
Yes.
5 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 5 is not the same answer, right?
Yes.
तो क्या हो गया? Again, the male gender, no problem. Female gender, problem. Correct? What will happen? Male gender, addition and multiplication is commutative. It is, whole number is commutative for addition and commutative for multiplication.
Yes.
Okay? And whole number is not commutative for subtraction and division. Clear?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
लैपटॉप की बैटरी लो है, चार्जर लाओ.
ले गया फिर. Okay. Correct? ठीक है? You got this clear?
Yes.
So closure property does, commutative property is done. Now
Yes.
associative property. What is associative property? Now here not 2, it will 3 or more number will come, right? क्या हो गया है? थम्स अप?
सर गलती से हो गया।
नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं,
Sir, I
अच्छा
think
है.
I know. Sir, I think I know.
हाँ,
I think I read it.
Mishka did this.
Sir, I think I read it
Sorry,
already.
Mishka नहीं, Shirin. Yes?
Sir, I think I know because I think I read it.
Yes, बोलो.
So like, let's say three numbers, 8, 4, and 5. If you add two of them, 12 plus 5, that's 17. But if you do like 4 plus 5 instead, and 9 plus 8, that's also 17.
Correct. So if you group any of these two numbers and operate the third one in or pinch in the third one in, the answer will still remain the same, right? You group any two numbers, first two, last two, one and third, and then you. So it is, what is associative for addition and associative with the multiplication also. For subtraction, division, it will not work, right? So if you have three numbers, 2 into 3 into 4, either do 4 into 3 into 2 or 2 into 4 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 2. Every time you will get the same answer as 24, right?
Yes.
Similarly, if you say 2 plus 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3 plus 2 or 3 plus 4 plus 2, every time you get the answer as 9. Clear?
Yeah.
Understood? So here also male gender works, female gender
Not work.
don't work, right? The whole number when you add and you multiply, it is associative for the whole number for addition and it is associative for the whole number for the multiplication. Clear?
Yeah.
And for subtraction and division, it is not. Clear?
Yeah.
Because you say 5 minus 1 minus 2, you get answer as 2. But if you say 2 minus 5 minus 1, you will not get the same answer. Understood, Mishka?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Are you attentive? Are you attentive? What I am saying, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very good. ठीक है. चलो. Everybody, Shirin,
Yes, sir.
clear? Understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the distributive? Before going to distributive property, and this is important property, right? It is, you will use many times. Application is very good for associative property. Sorry, distributive property. Now, if you do this, I'll go a little bit inside it and I'll ask you what is the question, what you'll do, right? So, if you, what is additive inverse? And it is only for additive and multiplication it will work, right? It is identity and inverse. क्या है?
Identity and inverse.
Correct. So it is called as additive inverse and additive identity. It is called as multiplication inverse and multiplication identity. Now multiplication identity is, it will go on the inverse. When you multiply, suppose if I give you any number, any whole number you give me, right? Okay. Or any natural number I'll give you. Let's take a natural number. Suppose I give you any number, any natural number you give me. Give me any natural number.
3.
5.
Very good. So what you should add to 5? So answer you will get a 5.
0.
Correct? So 0 is called as additive identity. Now if you take the same number, what you should multiply? So you get a 5.
1.
1. So 1 is called as multiplicative identity. Correct?
Yeah.
When you multiply the number with the multiplicative identity, you get the same number. When you add with the same additive identity, you get the same number. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now what is inverse of it, right? When you get a number and you do with the inverse, you get the identity, right?
Yeah.
So when you have 5, you want additive inverse so that you get a additive identity. So you should get 0. 5 plus what? You will make the 0.
-5.
-5.
Correct. Understood? 5 plus -5, you do it, you get a 0. Correct? So -5 called as a inverse number, right?
Yes.
Clear? It is additive inverse. What is multiplication? Suppose 5 multiply by something, you get 1. 5 multiply by something, you should get 1.
5 times some. Sir, 1 upon 5.
Correct. 5 multiply by 1 upon 5, which is the reciprocal of it, which you get a answer as 1. Correct? So which
Yes.
is called as multiplicative inverse. Clear, everybody?
Yes.
Yes,
Done?
sir.
Yes.
Okay, now coming to distributive. Now distributive is basically works from only multiplication. Distributive over a multiplication and distributive over a subtraction. Now what does it mean? I'll show you here. Now this property you should remember. I'll ask you anytime in between. And it will not happen maybe next class. Maybe it will happen next month also. Suppose you have 5. Now it is multiplication here, right? When you don't write anything, it is multiplication. 4 plus 3. What you can do?
Sir, you do the bracket.
What is the answer you will get?
Sir,
35.
35, right? So if I want to distribute this 5 over it should will go with 4 or should go with 3?
It should go with both. It can
Both.
go
Very
with
good.
both.
So let's try this. 5 into 4 plus 5 into 3. Now according to Bodmar's rule, you will do multiplication first, right? So you get
Yes.
20 plus 15. What do you get?
35.
30.
Correct. So it is called as
Distributive.
distributive. It is a multiplication distributive over addition. Now we'll do a subtraction. Suppose you do 10. Okay, 8 minus 5. Correct. So what do you get? 10 into 3 will be 30. Correct.
Yes.
So what do you do here? Now I distribute here. 10
times
10
into
into
8
8
minus 10 into 5,
into 5
which will be here 80
minus 50.
minus
Minus
50
30.
will 30. Correct?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
So it is called as multiplication is distributive over addition also, right?
Yeah.
Correct? So it is 5
Yes.
into 7 is equal to 35.
multiplicative.
Now I do a little bit more and we'll see for the multiplication and division. Correct?
Yes.
Let's try for a multiplication and division, right? Whether it is distributive over the multiplication or division or not. Correct?
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, similar kind of questions I'll write, but with different number. Okay, suppose you have 5 multiply by 3 into 4. It is similar kind, right? Or I'll do it 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So this will go with this or go with this.
What?
5 into 4
5 into
Nahin.
4 plus 5 into 3.
5 into 3
Plus nahi, beta, it is a multiplication. It is not plus.
मैंने into बोला था.
It is a multiplication, beta.
5
20
into
times
4
15.
into 5 into 3.
Very good. Correct?
Yes.
Very good. Let's see this. Okay. Now I'll
5
open
4
your.
20 into 5.
अरे रुक जा मेरी जान. पहले तो ये चेक तो करो. Just check this. 5 into 12, right?
Yes.
Correct now. With the bracket I'll solve first, right?
Yes.
It will be 60. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Now I'll do 5 into 4
into 4 into 3 5 into 3 sorry
into
3.
5 into 3,
5
right?
into, yes
So now what will you get?
you will
20
get
into 20
5
into 15.
Very good. 20 into
15.
15.
15
Correct. So what do you get? 20 into 15. What is the
300
answer? 20 into 15.
300.
हाँ
300.
300.
तो आंसर तो सेम नहीं आ रहा है बेटा, क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया? हैव यू डन एनी मिस्टेक? हैव यू डन एनी मिस्टेक?
No.
Then why not getting the same answer?
Sir, I think you're supposed to do 5 times 4 times 3
Correct. Correct.
because 60,
Because it is
300
already
divided,
multiplication, right? This
Yes.
is
because 300
matching.
divided by 5 is
It
60.
is
So
multiplying what? It is basically, if you see this, it is nothing but a phi multiplied by whether the bracket, this is a kind of a associative property, right? So it is phi
Yes.
into 4 into 3, right? Correct. So when you multiply these two, it is the wrong one. This you cannot do because you are multiplying both by 2 times. It is not possible. That is why your answer is getting 5 times, right? Because this 1 5 is additional, right? This is not required.
Yes.
So this is simple. It is 60 here, right? This is clear.
Yes.
This is right. You cannot do this. Clear? Because
Yes.
multiplication is the same operation. This is also multiplication. This is also multiplication. Clear?
Yes.
So it is only now similarly if you divide, right? It is the same thing, right? If you want to divide this, suppose you have 5, okay, I'll just say 10. Let me write here. Okay. 10. This is something different number. Okay. 10 multiply by 20 upon 5. Correct?
That's right.
Correct. So what do you do? It will get, or I'll just write 40 here, right?
10.
I'll write 40 here. Chalo. So 40 divided by. So
But
suppose if you do what is this? You will get here
sir,
40
40
divided by 4.
into हाँ yes
बराबर है?
10.
हाँ
बराबर है?
distribute
No, so it will be multiply.
बेटा डिवीजन तो मैं कर चुका हूँ ना यहाँ पे. Why I get 4? So it is multiplication, right? You got
Yes.
160, right? But if you do this here, distributive, what
40
will happen?
into 20
When
Then
I
we will do 40 into
multiply
20
by 20
divided
divide
by
by
divided
40
5.
multiply by 5, right? First of all, this is going to be like this, right? This will be operated first because board mass rule. 40 into 1 upon 2 into 5. So this will be 20 into 5, which will be 100, which is not there, right?
Yes.
It is not there. You need to do it 40 divided by 4. So this is, you have to divide this first. So when you write this 40 into 20 divided by 5, so you can do this as 40 into 20 divided by 5. It will be either you do this way or this way. This is 160. This will work, right?
Yes.
You can't distribute this. Clear?
Yes.
Everybody is clear. Whether you divide by 40 or divide by 20 does not matter for you, right? It is the same generation. So whether you multiply this or divide by this, it does not really matter, right? Clear or no?
Yes. Clear.
Good.
Yes.
ठीक है? Clear है?
Yeah.
Very good. Shall I send you this? Understood everyone? What is distributive
Yes.
property? Now I'll show you the application of distributive property, right? I'll show you some of the good application of distributive property and how useful it is, right? I give you some example and you tell me whether it is, you can do it mentally or not, right?
yeah.
Sure. I give the screenshot for this and I give one example. You tell me whether you are able to, can you do it mentally? Yes or no? Right? Okay. Who wants to try? Who
What,
wants
sir?
to try?
Aditya.
4, 9. Okay. I will say here 38 multiplied by 4, 8. Sorry. 4, 8, 9, 7 multiplied by 38 plus. Can you do mentally this?
Sir.
Yes?
Sir,
Sir Aditya.
हाँ बोलो आदित्य. Can you
4,
do
8,
yes? First of all, tell. Okay. First of all, tell me. Can you do mentally yes or no? Only.
yes.
Yes.
sir.
Very good. देवांश
Yes,
तू
sir.
भी कर सकता है?
हाँ.
Very good. Okay. मिश्का. मिश्का.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. शिरीन
Yes.
कर सकती है mentally?
सर थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा बट कर लूंगी.
बेटा, you will get full 10 seconds to do it. You will be able to do it in 10 seconds?
नो
Sir,
सर.
10
नहीं.
seconds.
तू कर सकता है 10 सेकंड में? देवांश.
Yes. Sir Aditya, yes.
देवांश,
Sir,
can you do
answer
it in
मिल
10 seconds?
Sir, answer is 489700.
अरे आंसर नहीं चाहिए.
Sorry, sorry.
Can you do it in 10 seconds? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Mishka, can you do it in 10 seconds? Mishka?
No, sir.
No. Darsh, can you do it in 10 seconds?
Sir, I just know, almost.
No. You can do it, yes or no?
No.
Number. Okay, ठीक है, चलो. कौन बच गया अभी? all asked, right? चलो, all asked, right? चलो. Okay. Shirin, you can't do it. Mishka, you can't do it, right? Darsh, you can't do it.
Sir, I
Devansh?
just need to know one thing to solve it.
Sorry?
I just need to know what's 4897 times 4897.
No. You don't have to do a square of it, right? You don't require have to square of it. Yeah? Because it is addition here, na? It is addition here, right?
Yeah, so then I can just
Then
multiply.
I can.
Wait, Devansh will tell. Devansh, bol beta. What you do? You solve in a way they understand it, right?
Yes. Okay.
Chalo, I'll give you some example. Do you know algebra? Little bit algebra, you know?
Yes.
Everybody knows algebra. Suppose A, B plus B, C. If I want to factorize this, what I can do is, I can take out this B common,
Yes.
A plus C, right?
Yes.
So what is common here?
4897.
4, 8, 9, 7. I taken common, which
Yes.
becomes 38
Bracket
here,
3 is
62,
plus
right?
6.
This is distributive property. I told you, na, right? This is
Yes.
reverse of
Yes.
distributive property. So now what you
Yes.
do? You can use the bracket. It is 4,
Yeah.
8,
4,
9,
8,
7 multiply
7
by
into 100. That will be 489700.
Sir, I
very
knew
good.
it was
Gold medal मिलता है तेरे को.
Sir, I
देवांश,
knew 100, but
Sir.
I thought you had to multiply 4897 by 4897.
no, it is multiplication. There are two different operations, right? There is addition. That's why I told you there is addition in between, right?
Yeah.
Yes
I
or
got
no?
the 100. Yeah.
Correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Now you have 3, 8, 5, 6 multiply by 4, 2, 7 plus 3, 8, 5, 6 multiply by 5, 7, 3. Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
तेरे को तो आता है
Yes.
डार्लिंग. तेरे को गोल्ड मेडल दे चुका हूं मैं.
Yes, sir.
Shirin,
Aditya.
Shirin,
Yes, sir.
can
Sir
you do it
Aditya.
now?
Sir, Aditya.
अरे आदित्य को हो गया, तुम लोग दोनों को मालूम है, दोनों को, आई नो. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस मिश्का, शिरीन एंड दर्श.
Sorry, I can solve it.
Correct. It is same thing, right? If you this
Yeah.
two, it will be what? 1,000, 3, 8,
Yes.
5, 6. Correct?
Yes.
4, 2, 7 plus 5, 7, 3. This is 9, this is 9 and this is 10. So it will become 1,000, right? 3, 8, 5, 6 into 1,000, which is equal to 3, 8, 5, 6, 0, 0, 0. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Understood, everybody?
Yeah.
Easy? This is application of your distributive property, correct? Similarly, you can do for the subtraction also. But subtraction is very obvious because you have 427 minus you do 327. So you know it will come 100, right?
Yes.
Distribution is usually very simple, this subtraction, because you get to know, array, wow, I know it is 127. You will get a very same similar because you have to have a zero number, right? Understood?
Yes.
Enjoyed?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct. So now you can make the document. You can understand what exactly it is means. So I've given this. It's a 15-page document. 15 page. I have explained you everything. Okay. I am giving you this. Okay. Smallest HL number is this. This is what. Achha, chalo, let's solve here. Forget what I'm not going to give you. What is the waste of time, right? Let's do it. Whatever we can do it here. And this is what you need to do again in the PDF and you can upload, right?
Yes.
So what is the smallest HL number?
Sir, 1.
अच्छा, एक मिनट,
One.
one by one. Okay, roll number 1. Who is roll number 1? Everybody is the roll number. Who is the roll number? Aditya, फिर दर्श, देवांश, मिश्का, then Rania is absent, then Shirin,
Yes.
and then Ritvi. Ritvi is also absent, right? So we have Aditya, Darsh, Devansh, Mishka, and then Shirin, right? Alphabetical
Yes.
order. First Aditya. First question. Next बोलो तो next one. You remember your
Smallest
roll number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Shirin, you are 6, but you can take it as 5. 1.
smallest natural number is 0. F1.
Hey, 1. Correct. Roll number 2.
Sir, smallest whole number is 0.
Very good. Roll number 3.
Largest
Infinite.
natural number is infinity.
Right. Next. Hello.
सर मेरा था नंबर 3.
तो था तो उसको बोलेगा नहीं तो कोई बीच में ले जाएगा ना तेरा नंबर.
मैं
सोचते
बोला
रहेगा तो.
इन्फिनिटी. मैं बोला इन्फिनिटी.
अच्छा ठीक है. ओके इन्फिनिटी. रोल नंबर 5. All natural numbers are whole number, right? All natural numbers are also whole number, right? All number are not natural number, right?
Yeah.
Because 0 is not there. All the whole numbers are not natural number. Successor of 4099 is
Can I say?
4,100.
4,100, not 4,000, 5,000. Hello. And predecessor of this 4329.
29.
Correct? State whole numbers are close for addition.
Yes.
Yes. A and B are any two whole numbers, then A plus B is not the whole number.
And false.
False. A and B are the any two natural numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A.
True.
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 0 plus 18 is equal to 18 plus 0.
True.
Addition of whole number is associative.
Yes.
12 plus this is equal to this plus this is equal to this.
No.
False?
Sir, I said
Yes,
true.
yes.
Achha, true.
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
So I'm giving you this also solving ready-made masala, right? Because if you are clear with this properties, you can easily solve this within a seconds, right?
Yes.
Sir,
हाँ. क्या हो गया? क्यों रो रहा है?
एग्जाम हो गई है मेरी.
तो क्या हो गया, लड्डू बांटेगा?
नहीं,
फिर बेटा
बता रहा
मार्क आने
था।
दे, मार्क कम आया तो मारूंगा, बाकी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं
सर सर आज पता चला कि 3 ही लोगों को 18 से ज्यादा मिला है।
है। कितने मार्क का क्वेश्चन है ना?
बॉयज में बस 3 लोगों को 18 से ज्यादा मिला है।
व्हाट इज द टोटल मार्क्स?
20। एक को 20 मिला, एक को 19.5 और एक को 18, या फिर आप पता नहीं।
तू किधर है, वो 3 में है कि नहीं?
पता नहीं सर, पेपर
तेरा
नहीं मिला,
पेपर
मैम ने
कैसा गया
मुझसे
था, अच्छा गया था?
हाँ सर।
बस तो फिर ठीक है, तू समझ अपने आप को 20 आने
सर
वाला है, नहीं
क्लास
आएगा तो मैं हूँ बाद में मारने के लिए।
सर
ठीक है,
क्लास टॉपर्स
चलो चलो इधर आ जाओ, 54 वो जो गया उसको छोड़ दो नाउ। दिस इज 497, राइट? इट इज व्हाट टाइप ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी इट इज?
Distributive.
नाइन,
एसोसिएटिव,
नो,
Associate.
कम्यूटेटिव,
कम्यूटेटिव।
कम्यूटेटिव। It is what? 286. What is this? Additive identity, right? This is
Yeah.
multiplication identity. And this is associative property. Correct? Because when you associate two numbers and add the third number, or you add the one number to two associative property, right? Here. This is associative property. Verify करो. Verify करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? You do say 3 plus 9 is equal to 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 12 is equal to 12, right? This is how you have to prove, right? Understood?
यस,
Yes.
So you have to show the working here, how to prove, because it is all the same, right? So you can use the space here, 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 you can use space here, right? Clear?
Yeah.
So you have to verify. You have to see this is 23. What do you do? Open the bracket and then show you. Show here क्या होगा? 23 minus 23, which is equal to 0. So you say,
Yeah.
right? Verified. Proved लिखो या verified लिखो, right? 16 plus 0 is equal to 16 is equal to 16. Verified. अभी ठीक है, ये छोटा छोटा बच्चों का है. This you need to do distribute. This is what we did, right? This is 3 into
Yeah.
18, which is 54. So 15 into 18 you have to multiply. Then 12 into 18 you have to multiply and subtract after this, right? Clear? So this verification
Yeah.
you have to do it. Done?
यस सर।
Yeah.
सो देखो एक तो हमने एक्सरसाइज इधर ही कर लिया, खत्म, राइट? स्टेट ट्रू और फॉल्स, करेक्ट, यू डू इट इन अ पीडीएफ ओनली, क्लोजर सब्ट्रैक्शन नॉट, राइट? ये हमने सब कर लिया है, सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं है, बी वाला, यस, इजी वन,
Yeah.
वेरी गुड, ठीक है। ठीक है, सिमिलरली यू विल हैव फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सर दिस इज द रिपीट नंबर, हाँ, दिस इज रिपीट वन, दिस इज 6, 32, 32 is repeated. See, that 2 times it is given, so don't consider that. Then you have multiplication. We have done already for multiplication. Existence of identity, right? Any number, whole number. Exists a whole number 1 for which x multiplied by 1 is 1 multiplied by x is equal to x. In this case, the whole number is 1 is called the multiplicative identity or identity element of the multiplication. In the same way, whole number 9 is 9 into 1 into 1 into 9 is equal to 9. Clear?
Yes.
The whole number is also 15. Identity element of element is 1. Correct? Similarly, you have for additive also, you will have. Correct? So this is C. This is division. We have done the property. This is for D. Then number line of a natural number and a whole number, right? So when you represent the number line, okay, you need to tell the whole number कैसे represent करेगा. Correct? Now these patterns are important, right? बहुत simple pattern है, but it is very effective patterns, right? Okay, chalo, I'll give you something. I'll ask you something. Because I want to finish this chapter today. Will take 15 more minutes. Okay, you tell me any two consecutive. You know what is consecutive number?
यस सर।
What is consecutive number?
सर द नंबर्स which appear just after the other one.
Correct. Okay, so you write any number and I just write any number here, it is what difference of the square of two consecutive numbers, right?
Yes.
Difference of the square of two consecutive. You give me any different number, right? Anything you want, this number or this number, because if it is this, it will be -1 by this. If it is this, it will +1 here, right? You tell me any number. I'll give you the answer in seconds.
5 and 6.
अरे थोड़ा बड़ा नंबर दो क्या यार 5 6 give me 3 digit 4 digit number.
Sir, 108.
3123.
Sorry,
3123.
3100.
23.
Very good. And this is 3122. Correct?
Yes.
Correct. Now you can use the calculator. Before you use the calculator, I'll give you the answer. 6 2 4 5. This is going to be the answer. You use the calculator.
You just added them. Is that
But how? Right? When you do the advanced algebra, this is how you got this, right? It is a sum of the both numbers, okay? And it is also one of the algebraic identity which you will be using it later on, right? So this is how you use the number pattern. By doing something tricky with the algebraic expression or algebraic identity, you can do it very fast. Similarly, a certain pattern, right? It is a very interesting pattern. Now, can you see this pattern? Below of the number pattern using this what? 1, 4, 7, 10, 3. Now, if I tell you, give me the 10th number, can you get me the 10th number? Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
What rule you will apply? What rule you will
Sir,
apply?
Sir,
Addition of 3, right? Rule is what? Add
addition of
3. Correct? So you keep on adding the 3, you will keep on getting the numbers. So when you go to in grade 8 or 9, somewhere around, you will get a sequences, right? In all the board, across the board, you have this. Whether you are CBSE or ICSE or IGCSE or GCSE or IB or anything, you will have sequences, right? You have to convert numbers into algebraic expression, which is called a sequence. Now, Mishka, you are there with Mishri, right?
Yes.
Okay, you can open her book. Okay, you will get sequences there, right? So there are different types of sequences: linear sequence, quadratic sequence, cubic sequence, algebraic, reciprocal sequence, exponential sequence. Okay, there are many sequences are there which you can use it, right? But this is called a linear sequence because you are just adding or subtracting. It's the linear way it goes, right?
Yes.
That is 2, 4, 6. Can you do this? Yes?
Yes.
Right.
That's
Now
12.
here you have 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. This is, I can't see this, but it is okay. But here you can see the T, then ulta T, then Sida T, ulta T, Sida T. And this is also a pattern, right? You can
Yes.
predict as many as you want, right? Now this is very interesting pattern. If you want to add the consecutive odd numbers, starting from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, you just have to count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5 square. That is the total. Just check this. So you have 1 and 3. So what is total is 4, which is 2 square. When you say 1, 3, 5, it is 9, which is 3 square. You have 1, 3, 5, 7, which is 16, which is a 4 square. So how many terms are there? 4 terms, right?
Yes.
So
सर
this
ये
is
हमें स्कूल में सिखाया है.
very good. तो फिर तू बताया क्यों नहीं? तुमने सिखाया नहीं मेरे को. Correct. So you get the similarly, right? So according to the pattern, the sum of the first nth odd number is n square. N is basically how many terms or how many numbers you add, that many square you have to do it, right? Understood?
Yes.
Now 1 is the pattern, natural number, the odd number is 2, so it is 2 square, then it's 5 square, then 8 square, and so on. Right? Now same way, if you add the consecutive numbers, this is very interesting, right? If you add the consecutive number, so what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 2, you get the sum of it. So it is 5 into 6 divided by 2, you get a sum of it is 15. Clear? Understood? Can I
Yes.
use
Yes,
this?
sir.
Okay, this is something for the odd number, right? Odd number when you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What do you do? N into n plus 1. This is the answer, right? Directly. Just got this and you get the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
can I convert? Can anybody convert this? Using the distributive property, can you convert this into this? Can you convert this? Yes or no? And using the same formula, can you get the same answer? Yes or no? Batao. I gave you the answer also. You just have to implement it, right?
Sir, we have to divide this by 2.
No. How can you divide? If you divide, then it will be out of this, right? Value should not change. If you do it, suppose if you say 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. Suppose you divide all by this, it will reduce, right? The
Yes.
value will become less, right? You should not have that. Do something which you can. Acha. Shall I give the answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
What is common factor of all of this? What is the highest common factor of all these numbers?
2.
2. So can I
2.
take out 2 out? Can I get it 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So I
Yes.
got this here. So it is 2 into 5 into 6 divided by 2, correct? So this 2 will get cancelled. You get answer as 30, correct?
Yes.
I didn't
Understood everyone?
understand. Sir, I didn't understand.
Who beta?
Shireen.
Shirin. Okay.
I didn't understand.
No problem. I'll explain one more time. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right?
Yes.
What is the highest common factor of this? 2, right? So if I take 2 common out of all of this, you get what? Distributive property, right? Acha, 2 I can write this as, okay, let me write. Okay, let me go to whiteboard. So I'll write 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, right? Can I write 2 is equal to 2 into 1? This is 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5, right? Can I write this or no?
Yes.
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 Correct? Now, all are having 2 common, right? Distributive property. Can I take a 2 common?
Hmm.
1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Shirin, Mishka,
Yes.
understood?
Yes.
So now what do you get? 2 into 5, 5 numbers into 5 plus 1, which is 6, divided by 2, which is a formula, right? So
Yes.
this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get 30 as the answer, right? And here, what is the
Yes.
formula direct here? For this formula is what? 5 numbers into 6 numbers. That is done. This is direct formula for even numbers, right? This is
Yes.
consecutive even numbers. Consecutive odd number क्या होता है? What is the consecutive odd number? N square, correct? This is n
Yes.
into n plus 1. This is for consecutive even number. This is consecutive odd number, correct?
Yes.
Yes. And this is for the sequence, which is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
This is for consecutive number. Consecutive numbers, right? This is consecutive even numbers. And this is for odd numbers, right? Starting from, all are starting from 1. Huh? This can be modified for higher one also, correct? Other sequence also you can modify this, right? but you should have application for doing this also, right? Clear? Shri, now you understood, Mishka?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
everybody? Boys,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So now you have pattern. Now see the advanced pattern. Haha. You got this 2 plus this plus this plus this. What you can do? Every place there is 1, 1, 1 added, right?
Yes.
Correct. So what you do is here, you do this pattern. कैसे करोगे? Now clearly related to pattern is what? So you get 1 minus, then it is 15. This is 1 minus, so 20. So you take 6. So what do you get? 6. Correct. When you add this, what is the formula? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the formula for this? N square, right? Nah. What is the formula for? क्या हो गया? Where is the echo coming from here? देवांश,
हाँ सर
तेरे यहाँ से echo आ रहा है.
मेरे
Hello. जो अभी बंद हो गया, right? You have certain, I don't know what machine you are using, but it is echoing my voice. ठीक है?
सर listening on speaker.
Huh?
I am listening on speaker.
I know, but then it is echoing when I write this. अभी बंद हो गया echo. Now it is stopped. You've done something change. Okay, chalo, anyway, choice. ठीक है? So what you do is n into n plus 1, right? Divide by 2. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Again it is coming, beta. Hello.
Mute
Divide
करो.
2. यहाँ पे this is 2 plus 1. This is n is 5 plus 1, right? It will not work for it. If it not start 1 1, it will not do this, right? But
हाँ
here what you can do is here n,
सर
which is 5, that is 6 into 7 divided by 2 minus 1, right?
सर
Because it is 1 here, right? Here also it is 2. So it is 7 into 8 divided by 2 minus 3. You get this, right? Because it is 1 plus 2 is missing, right? So this 3 you have to subtract, right? There is total 7. So it is what? 428 minus 3, which will be 25, correct? Or
Yeah.
what you can do is, because it is sequential number, what you do is take the middle number and multiply by the number of times. Take the middle number and multiply by the Take the middle number and multiply by the number of times. Clear?
yes, sir.
So if it is 7
Sure.
odd numbers, when you have odd patterns, take the middle number and multiply with the number of terms. You get this, right? Clear?
Yes,
1, 121. This is what actually those who have done my Vedic with me, this is square of number with repeated ones, right? So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 multiply by 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How many ones are there? 5. So take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the reverse order 4, 3, 2, 1. So go up and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. So how many numbers of ones are there? That much you have to do. Right? Clear?
Yes.
Now magic square. Again, you have to put this number should not be repeated. All the vertical, all the horizontal, all the crisscross line or diagonal line should be equal, right?
Yes.
Clear? Now
Yes.
magic
Yes.
square pattern. This is you add, keep on thinking. This is sequences only, right? It is same thing. 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13, which we saw on the top. Correct? Yes. So there are number of patterns like this. It is 3n plus 1, right? So you keep on adding the numbers. This is a pattern. What you get, right? Here you have to write this. Think about this, how the pattern will look. Now, prepare this magic square. Which number will give where, right? Clear? Done? Over.
Yes.
Sharp. 9:15 we finished, right? So next time, what is the next class we have on? Friday,
Friday.
right? So before Friday, you will be able to finish. This is very simple. We have done almost 50% in the class only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
And this also you can do it in PDF only. Clear?
Yes.
ठीक है? Aditya, use a different color. Okay, those who are using the black color, please use a different color to write.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay? Chalo.
Hello.
See you. Bye. I am creating an assignment for chapter 4 also, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ठीक है.
sir.
चलो. Bye.
The due
Bye,
date is
Sorry?
due date.
Due date? Friday के पहले.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay?
Bye.
Bye.